All right, here we are at the spot. And so I've taken up the nails and stuff. I want you to look at something here. Look at this. It's not even attached to the ties right there. And so this guy, I bet he's gonna lift right out because it is in such beat up condition. Oh yeah, that's not good at all. Okay, so we'll salvage off these rail joiners. We'll clean them later. I've got some brand new ones for this, but we'll have to clean them off. This switch is still good though. We'll save him for later. We might need them for something else, so we'll put them in the pile. And yeah, this is not good. And this piece right here was not even hardly attached. Well, it was, but basically it crapped out on us. So we'll deal with this, because the new one comes in as one piece. Now, here's the old wires here. There's only 3 of them. And our new one has more than that. We'll deal with that, and then we got to take off. We're going to take the plastic rail joiners off this and clean them. Okay, there's our spot, and here's our new guy. He's going to fit in like this, and I got solder in there and heated up and everything. And we're ready to go on putting them in. So now I'm going to do a little work on trimming some rails and stuff and get them in and get them going. And then we should be good.